Here's a fact. Price of everything has soared. Whether it's rent, food, energy, everything's up. Since 2021, inflation's jumped over 21%, while average wages have barely nudged up 17%, and that's before taxes. In reality, most people are earning less in purchasing power than they were 3 years ago. Well, what does that mean? Real wages only grew 1.3% in the last year. You're working harder and you're getting less. So here's the question. How do you escape that trap? And it is a trap. In this video, I'm going to show you how front-end development is going to give you your control back. Not just through a job, but through freelance work, contracting, remote gigs, and building your own streams of income. Stick with me for 5 minutes and I'll show you how to go from completely stuck to scaling your income, even if you're starting completely from scratch. Now, why didn't your salary keep up? This isn't just you, it's systematic. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the real average hourly earnings only grew 1.3% from June 2024 to June 2025. Meanwhile, your cost of living, rent, is up 30% in some cities, and groceries are up, childcare is up. This is what economists call the middle class squeeze, and your salary is not designed to keep pace. It's capped by industry, by time, by policy. So if you're waiting around for your boss or your government to lift your income, you'll be waiting a pretty long time. Now, front-end development is different. It's one of those true skills that really does translate into income growth and scaling as well. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need a laptop, an internet connection, some focus, and proper guidance. Entry-level front-end developer jobs pay between $60,000 and $85,000. And many remote roles now offer over 6 figures, so over $100,000. But that's just the beginning. Because getting a job is just one of many aspects of making money with front-end development. And people don't realize that. In fact, freelance front-end developers in the US average $101,548 a year, according to ZipRecruiter. So top earners hit $150,000 plus with no ceiling. And that's from freelancing and contracting. Because when you code, you're not just learning how to get a job. That's one of the biggest misconceptions. You're learning how to build leverage to be able to use those skills to build trust to get paid for your skills. Now, if we look at the Forbes top 11 richest people, the majority of them were programmers at one point in their careers or were involved in tech where they built apps. All of that comes from knowing front-end development. There are people every few months staking their millions from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So having a job is just one aspect of it. Now, beyond the 9-to-5, freelancing, contracting, and passive income, here's what people miss. Front-end isn't just about getting a job at a tech company like we've already said. You can freelance for clients and charge your own rate, contract short-term for 5K, 10K, or 20K projects, build your own websites, landing pages, tools, and sell them. Create passive incomes, UI kits, templates, digital products, and teach what you know as well. In 2023 alone, 64 million Americans freelanced, which is crazy. That's a lot. That's nearly 38% of the entire workforce. Front end is the ultimate freelance ready skill. Should everybody do it? Well, here's the thing. The whole world is moving towards code. The whole world is becoming dominated by code, as we can all see. And this particular set of skills right now, it's a get unstuck permanently skill. But here's some real talk. It's actually pretty hard to become a front-end developer, mostly because the process is a long one. It's about 4 to 6 months. Now think about anything you've committed time to. 4 to 6 months is a long time. To give that time to really push yourself hard, a lot happens in life in 4 to 6 months. And to push yourself through that and make sure that you still are motivated month in, month out is difficult. But I'll tell you this, it's worth it. And in particular, it's very hard at the beginning. When you're tackling with HTML, CSS, responsiveness, it's tough. You'll feel stuck just trying to sit into a div. Your CSS will break everything and JavaScript will absolutely humble you. But guess what? Every front-end developer has hit that point and they push through. And the rewards? Well, there's options, confidence, and control over your time and income. You know, as someone who does coach and help people get into this type of thing, we've had students go from stuck in retail or manual labor to then going to landing $1,000 to $3,000 freelancing jobs, building portfolios, or getting their first ever tech job without a degree. Now, you don't need to quit your job tomorrow. You just need to start. And this is something that you can start alongside your current job. So you have that security, but you have a supplemental few $1,000s every month, which can help. Certainly, it can help anyone. It's life-changing money, adding in an extra few $1,000s to your income every month. Now, we built Frontend Now to guide you from beginner to career ready. You'll get weekly coaching calls, a one-to-one feedback, and a full roadmap to building full websites and landing work. It's mostly for people who are just done waiting. People who want the skills that actually pay and know that there's probably something more in life for them. And you can start with our free HTML and CSS crash course, or join the full coaching program if you're ready to go all in. So, the cost of living is up, but your salary is stuck. My advice, start learning front end today, freelancing, and looking at other ways of making an income. Like 38% of the US workforce start freelancing today, start learning front end development, start learning skills that are outside the remit of what is the standard way of earning an income. Because clearly the standard way of earning an income just isn't up to scratch anymore. Now, my advice is start learning front end development and use the link below. But whatever you do, I wish you the best of luck, and I hope this information was useful. And if it was useful, please do throw us a like and subscribe and follow us for more videos like this. From everyone at Frontend Now, thank you.